How to check your Spotify Wrapped. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Spotify. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Spotify and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update. Now wait for some time until the update is being Now while the update is being downloaded, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. After installing the update, simply tap on open. Now on the home page of Spotify, out Now on the home page of Spotify at the top right corner you will find an option for Wrapped. Simply tap on it. Now wait for some time. Now under your Wrapped Now under your 2024 Wrapped, simply tap on Let's Go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.